Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Mehdi and today I want to tell you some sentences that you can use instead of no. So do nothing, grab your pencils and stay tuned. The first one that is formal is apologize, but I can't make it. Apologize, but I can't make it. This sentence is formal and you can use it in formal meetings, situations, and etc. Sometimes you want to reject an invitation, so you want to say something instead of no. You can say, sounds great, but I can't come. Sounds great, but I can't come.
Hey, that sounds great, but I can't.
The third one, which is formal, is I wish I were able to. I wish I were able to. And the last one is awesome. So, can you tell me what it is?
No.
You can say, thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. So this is the end of this video. I'm Mehdi Asalu. I'm an English teacher. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you all. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.